Hello children, welcome to our world through English. So previously already we started the beautiful theme science and technology, right? So we discussed science and we discussed about technology, how science and technology was playing a prominent role. We are now using technology, right? Virtual classes. So we are also having a great technology now. So how science and technology was playing a prominent role during these days we discussed, and when we come to the story, the fun they had. So we already started this and we come to know that in the year of 17th May 2157, 17th May it was happened, 17th May 2157. So at the time it happened, it was written on the diary. So what happened, let me explain in the previous class what we discussed, and let me conclude the story here. So in the year of, it is future generation. So now we are present, so it is future, like a time machine. So they went in the future, and what is going to be happen in the future education. So now our education is different. Previously we have textbooks and everything, but in the future generation there will be no textbooks. Now also we are having everything in the laptop, everything was in PDF form, so everything we are getting textbook. So same thing like that, in the future generation there will be no textbooks, there will be no teachers, live teachers. Every mechanical teacher will teach to us. So same, already the system has been started in Western countries. Without textbooks they will enter the classroom with only the PCs or tablets. They will go to the class, and there the virtual, only the computer will teach the classes for them, and they have to listen and they have to write and they have to live. So that will be goes on. So here it is happening in 17th May of 2157. So at the time what happened, let's see here. Our small boy, and two are the important characters here. One is Maggie, and next Tommy. Both the brothers and sisters, right? So we know that they got a book, right? They got a book and they were started reading the book. When they got the book, it was very surprised for me, for them. Why? Because they not even saw the book in their life. So that was the first time. So when they discussed that, their grandfather told that their grandfather, means 5 generations. Before 5 generations they had, centuries ago, 5 generations, maybe 500 years before, they had books in their school. So now they are not having the book, so they got a story book and they got a book in their hands. So they were reading the book. So when they were reading the book was about school life, right? So what is the topic about the book? The book is about school. So the book is about school life. How the school on those days. So they have a lively teacher. So what Tommy was saying, when Tommy said this is about school, then Maggie said, again school. I hate school very much. I hate school very much. Why Maggie hate the school very much, children? Did you get the understanding previous class? Do you understand the previous class? Yes. Maggie hated the school very much because there she was learning classes through mechanical teacher. The system, television will open, there the teacher will come, mechanical teacher will come, not the real teacher. Mechanical teacher will come, means computer. The computer will come, and there the teacher will teach something, and she will go. Later examination, next examination. So she was bored up with school. Maggie was bored up with school, and she was very disappointed when Tommy said that the book was about school. Then she said, what is about school? I hate school very much. So previously when we are in the school, every day we are coming to school, and sometimes if we get holiday, we will feel that holiday, when we will get holiday, when we will get Sunday. So we waited for holiday, right? But now, are you waiting for holiday? Now everybody is waiting for what? When the school reopens, when we have to meet our friends, when we have to meet our teachers, when we have to talk to them, right? You are all waiting for the day to open the school, right? Yes, previously when the school ends, you waited for holiday. When the Sunday comes. But now you are waiting when the school reopens. We have to meet all our friends, we have to talk to our teachers, we have to So we have to talk to them, we have to share what we did in the corona days. So everybody eagerly waiting for the day to open the school. So here also Maggie thought that school was the worst place in her life, because she's having a home school. What you are having now, homeschool. Same thing here, Maggie have a television. There is no need to go to any school. There is no school in 2057. Every home is a school. So there will be a television, they have to register and they have to start reading. So that is common there. So that made Maggie to get irritation about mechanical teacher. But when Tommy said that they are not having a mechanical teacher, they have a school, Maggie was surprised. A school? What school? Yes, they have a big buildings. On those days, in 20s, they have a big schools. Now we are having a big school, right? Same thing Tommy said, they have a school. Then Maggie was surprised. What? They're having a building for school. Yes, Tommy said. Not only that, they're having a teacher. What? Tommy said, teacher. That too a man. Then Maggie was surprised. What? A man is teaching lessons to children. How it is possible? What they knows? What a man will teach lessons? Then Tommy said that, you foolish girl. You foolish girl. So why Maggie thought school means only mechanical teacher? She doesn't know that what happened in the previous days. So Maggie thought school means mechanical teacher, means computer. Computer only will teach lessons. But she is not finding that who created the computers? We create a human. So we are more intelligent than computers. Am I right or not? So we are more intelligent than the mechanical. So Maggie is saying that a teacher, that to a human being, a human will teach lessons. Is it possible? How is it possible? What a human knows? Everything known by computer. Computer knows everything. But what human knows? That was a question asked by Maggie to Tommy. So in the previous class. And later he said one more word. So let me continue this class from the previous class. Tommy screamed with laughter. You don't know much, Maggie. The teacher didn't leave in the house. They had a special building. All the kids went there. And all the kids learned the same thing? Sure, if they were the same age. So now what Tommy is saying, my dear foolish sister, they have teachers will have a separate buildings, and what will happen? All the students will go to the building to learn. And Maggie was surprised. What? They have buildings and all the students will go there, and what are the lessons? Are they learning same? Yes, for all same age. For example, 8th class same lessons, 9th class some lessons. So it was same group, same class, same group, same class. So that was really surprising for Maggie. So what made Maggie to surprise? Because Maggie thought computer only will teach lessons, but in the book they read that the school is about a human, and the children, all the kids will go to school. How you are coming previously. So same like that, the same school now. So very simple, it is about our present school and future school. So that is. So but my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and a girl. It teaches that each kid has to be taught differently. So now she was saying that mother said that every teacher, every student mindset was different, and every student should get individually. So for example, you are all in the classroom. When you are all in the classroom, will all getting same marks? No. So what Maggie was saying, Maggie saying that my mummy said that, what mummy said that every student won't have same knowledge. So every student will have a separate teacher, then to understand their knowledge, and by that they can teach on their knowledge levels. Yes or no? For example, some student will get 10 marks out of 20, some 15, some 20 out of 20. So all will in the same class. But here what we are teaching in those days, these days we will teach for the average student also. So common student also will get what we are teaching. So here Maggie was saying that not like that. We have to have a separate teacher. Average student, who are having average student, for them a separate teacher. One student, one teacher. One student, one teacher. Then a student will understand everything what is being teaching by the teacher. Just the same, they didn't do it that way then. If don't like it, you don't know, you don't have to read the book. I didn't say I didn't like it, Maggie said quickly. She wanted to read about those funny schools. So now what happened, the discussion was going about the school teachers. She was saying that every student needs a separate teacher. But he is saying that no, not like that. Every student will have their own knowledge. So for all students, they will teach equally. So everybody will understood. Why? Because they will teach from the beginning, low standard to high standard. So everybody will understand clearly. Then the discussion was going on. Then Maggie was interested. Why? Because it was very, very funny. Because a human was teaching lessons. All the children were in the one same classroom. All will go to school. So it became very, very funny to Maggie. Because for them, home is a school. But previously, all the children will come to school, a teacher will teach them, so that became a funny school to Maggie. So they weren't even half finished when Maggie's mother called, Maggie, school, Maggie, look up. Not yet, Mama, now, said Mrs. Jones. And it's probably time for Tommy too. Maggie said to Tommy, can I read the book some more time with you after school? Now when they were discussing about all those things, then immediately Mummy called, hey Maggie, Maggie, come, it is the time for your school. It is the time for your school. Where the school here now? Home. Where is home? Opening television, the teacher will come. Same thing now, you can open the video and you can watch. The same thing like that. So the mummy called, Mummy, hey Tommy, Maggie, come here, you have a school. Now after that, immediately Mrs. Jones called Tommy, hey Tommy, it is the time for your class. So both they are going to school, and Maggie saying that, okay my dear brother, we will read this funny school later after our school. So maybe, he said nonchalantly. He walked away wistfully, the duty or the rusty old book tucked beneath his arm. Maggie went into the schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. It was always on at the same time every day except Sundays and Saturday and Sunday, because her mother said little girls learn better if they learn at regular hours. So now what happened? So immediately with a great not interesting, because already they was very Tommy and Maggie was very interested to learn about the schools, what 2020 to 2015 children will have. Same here, they are going to read about that. So when they were going to read that, it was very happy for them. So what made them to very happy? Because they thought that it was very funny for them. Why? Because they don't have the teachers, lively teachers, living teachers, but they have only mechanical teachers. So that made them to be very surprised, and they were interestingly reading about, because every teacher, every student is going to school, and there is having a teacher, and they're having a big buildings, so they were learning. So it became very happy for them. When they compared that to their previous now school or their schools mechanical teacher, they got bored. See, this mechanical teacher every day she will come and teacher will teach, and she goes. So we hate this mechanical school. We want to love the old school what they had been studied, because the teacher will come there, they will talk to them, and they will share every feelings to them, and they will have a fun, they will have a joke. But now mechanical teacher, no joke, no funny, nothing. What the mechanical teacher will be like this in the screen, and she will talk like a robot. We have to listen like this. And Maggie was very upset. Tommy was also not interested to go to school. Why? Because they already loved the olden school with the books, with the teacher, with the building, so they can share all the feelings. So that made Tommy and Maggie to be very disappointment. And later Tommy's and Maggie mother thought that if they were learning in a regular time, 5 to 6, 6 to 7 on particular time, then they can learn everything. But Maggie and Tommy were very upset these times. Why? Because they heard about olden schools. That made them to enjoy a lot. The screen was lit up, and it said, today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fractions. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. So the mechanical teacher was waiting. When the Maggie entered the room, she was saying, okay, come. And she asked to, today's class is arithmetic class. So please put your previous day homework in the slot. So then immediately Maggie saying that Maggie did so with high. She was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandmother's grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. All the kids from the old neighbor would come laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. They learned the same things so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. And the teachers were people. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen when we add fractions 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. Maggie was thinking about how kids must have loved in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. So now the story has been ended here for you children. So let me say what happened. See, the mechanical teacher was on the screen. The mechanical teacher saying, today class is arithmetic. Mechanical teacher means computer. Today class is arithmetic. Arithmetic. Please insert your today's homework in the slot. So when it said, Margie was thinking that, what Margie was thinking that, in olden days they have a big building, they have a big playground, they have a teacher, that to a human. Not only that, all the neighborhood children, yes or no, not only one kid, two kids, all the children from different places will come. They will sit in the classroom, they will have a fun, they will enjoy in the school, they will play in the schoolyard. So they will have many funs. Nowadays children, you are missing all those things, right? When you are in the school, you have a great fun with teachers, you have a great jokes with your friends, and playing cricket or kabaddi or PET period. So you are all missing, right? So same thing here. Maggie was thinking about the school. When Maggie was thinking about the school, the computer saying addition of 1 plus 2 and 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. What is the answer of the fraction? The computer was saying. Then immediately Maggie was thinking, what, they have a beautiful fun. They have a teacher, human teacher, and they are having lessons, and all together they were sitting, all together they were playing, all together they were eating. So everybody, they will help, especially homeworks. And there is a saying for you, that is, all 99% of mathematics homeworks are copied homeworks, right? So there is a saying with the same word, that is, mostly 99% of mathematics homeworks are copied homeworks. Yes or no? Same here, Maggie also having the mathematics class there. So Maggie also same thinking that 99% of mathematics homeworks are copied. Maybe you are also doing same thing, right? So copied, you are also copying same thing. Your teacher knows, we know everything that is copied, right? Because that is the biggest problem. If you are living separately, if you don't have any connections, if you have different questions, how you will get answers? Not possible. But in olden days, Miss Maggie will think that olden days children are very lucky children, because my grandfather's grandfather was very lucky, because they have a school, they have a big building, and they have a friends. They are playing together, eating together, reading together, listening together. They enjoyed. That is the fun. The fun they had, a beautiful fun they had. But we are all missing these days, because we don't have playground, we don't have separate school, we don't have all together one classroom, we don't have any playground. We are having only mechanical teacher, and listening and writing, everything finished. So that is the end of the fun they had. Children here, very simple what I am going to say here. That is happened in 2057, 17th May. But very simple, before Corona, how you are, after Corona, what is happening now. So are you having school now? Same school, they were saying that mechanical teacher, that is mechanical teacher, but we are only teaching for you, but online teaching, right? And next, what they miss here, they miss the friends. Yes, do you miss the friends? You are missing the friends. You are not coming to school, you are not sitting in the classroom, you are not having jokes with your teacher, jokes with your friends, and you are not having playing time. Yes or no? We are not having any playing time, because if we come out together, Corona, police will beat. So it is very big problem for us. No playing time, no moving time, and no lunch together, no fightings, no fun, nothing was there, because all we were missing fun. So same thing, Maggie and Tommy also missing the same fun, because their grandfather's grandfather had the same fun. But now they didn't have the fun, children here. The same thing here, the story has been ended, the fun they had. So that is the end. Very, very simple. Previous school, old school, a new school. Without technology, So without technology, with technology. So the old school and present school. Very simple. Corona. After, before. So this is the end of the fun they had. So it is about the school life. What is the condition of the school in the olden days and present days? So that was clearly shown here. Children, I thought that you are all still remembering the school, right? Maybe I thought if you are feeling sad because of your school, really everybody missing the school, not only you, we are missing you all a lot, because we are not having the students in the classroom. We are missing you very much. You are also missing us very much, even though it is very, very important, because it is very, very hard time, because if you come out, we don't know what will happen. So that is for your sake we are not running schools, because you will think that when the school reopens, we have to go, we will enjoy with my friends, I will talk with my friends, I will have fun with my friends. So you will feel that. But not only that, maybe you are also using technology. Maybe every day you are having a video chat with your friends, or chatting with your friends, communication with your friends, because you are all using technology very much than us. So only we are using technology to teach you, but you are every day you are talking. I hope that you are all talking with your friends regularly and you are not missing anybody. So maintain that, no problem. But in the very soon in coming days, we are going to meet you all in the school, and we are going to teach again, and we are having a great fun again. What you missed because of Corona, what you missed during these days, we are going to replace it again. Don't worry about that. And remember here how they achieved. They thought it was technology, but they missed a lot of fun, because they're not having a lively teacher, they're not having a school communication. So we are teaching like this, no, but you miss the real fun, we miss the real fun. But it is necessary to teach lessons for you. So I hope that you enjoyed the lesson, the fun they had. Who had a fun here? Fathers, grandfather. And what they missed here? The school they missed. Who missed? Maggie and Tommy. So when it was happened, 17th May 2157. So that is the end of the story, the fun they had. Thank you children for watching. I hope you enjoyed the story, and don't forget that to be updated for every class. Listen to every subject, every class, and be updated. When you come back to the school, then everything will continue with a great joy. So I hope you enjoyed the class, the fun they had, and the same thing, the fun what they had missed. So you are also missing the same, and I hope we all meet together in the next days. And thank you for watching. Meet you in the next class. Until then, take care and see you. Stay home, stay safe. Until then, bye bye.